My video guide is about removing the new ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is called Adoq. So Adoq is the name of this ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, definitely you can open your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all that can be opened easily without any complications. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Adoq ransomware may be easily injected. This happens because of poor protection of the computer by existing security software. So normally after users restart their computers or turn them on someday, they realize that something bad has happened and that users cannot open their files anymore. And so these are the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. The ransomware called Adoq actually appends this Adoq extension to the files. And when you try to open the file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Adoq extension. The same applies to all other files. The ransomware tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is surely not a good idea. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you could simply waste your money without getting the data recovered. So don't pay the ransom. Now, I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware. You may get its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner only removes this ransomware, but it does not recover your data. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program begins researching and investigating and researching your system. You will see the summary of threats at the end of the scan. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But that feature is the part of the premium license. At the end of the scan, you will see the information about all the threats which were found. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.